lead role in the school play.
Oh, Maya, that is wonderful news. I am so proud of you.
I'm going to be the Starlight Fairy. It's the most important part.
You are going to be the most beautiful fairy on that stage.
But wait, the teacher gave us this letter. It says every student has to provide their own costume by Friday.
Provide our own costume? Oh, I see.
Some of the girls are buying theirs from the fancy boutique downtown.
We can't afford a store-bought dress right now, sweetheart. I know, Mom. It's okay. Maybe I can just wear my plain white dress. Absolutely not. The Starlight Fairy needs to sparkle. I am going to make you a costume, a very special one.
Did you hear? My dad bought me the most expensive fairy dress in the city.
That's nice, Chloe. I'm sure it looks great.
What are you wearing, Maya? Since you got the lead role. My mom is making my costume at home. Making it? Like out of old curtains? You are going to look ridiculous on stage. My mom is a great sewer. It will be beautiful. Sure, just try not to trip over your own rags.
Okay, Maya, close your eyes. I have a surprise.
Are you finally finished sewing, Mom?
Yes. Open your eyes.
Wow. Mom, this is different.
But look at the skirt. I used your grandmother's antique embroidered shawl.
It has gold threads in it. It's really pretty.
Grandma wore this when she was your age. It's yours to shine in.
Thank you, Mom. I love it because you made it. Oh my goodness, what is that thing? It's my Starlight Fairy costume.
It looks like a giant messy quilt. Did your mom find it in the garbage?
Stop it, Chloe. My mom worked very hard on this.
Well, she wasted her time. Look at my dress.
My wings are perfectly straight. Yours are just bent wire and cloth.
You can't go on stage looking like a patchwork clown. You are going to ruin the whole play for everyone.
Maybe you're right.
It does look like a patchwork quilt. I look foolish.
I can't do this. I'm not going out there.
Maya, why are you hiding in the hallway? The play starts in 5 minutes.
I can't go on stage, Miss Clara. I'm too embarrassed.
Embarrassed? But you have the most beautiful voice in the class.
Look at my dress. Chloe has a real costume. Mine is just pieces of old fabric.
Maya, listen to me very carefully. A price tag does not make a person special. What makes a costume beautiful is the love woven into it and the confidence of the girl wearing it. Your mother made this with her own hands. That is true magic. I know so. Now dry your tears. The Starlight Fairy is needed on stage.
Okay, I'm ready. Step aside, patchwork girl. It's time for my scene.
Good luck, Chloe.
I don't need luck. I have a $300 dress.
Walks onto stage, looking stiff.
I am the queen of the forest. And like, woo! My wing! It's caught on the prop tree! Someone help! I can't move! The plastic heavy! Close the curtains! Get her unstuck! My dress is ruined. The wing completely snapped off.
Are you okay, Chloe? You can't go back out there with a broken wing.
I'm so humiliated. Everyone laughed at me.
Maya, you are up next. It's the final scene.
Take a deep breath. I can do this.
Steps out onto the dark stage.
I am the Starlight Fairy. I bring light to the darkness. Hit the spite!
The bright spotlight hits her dress.
Wow. The light. Look at her dress. The gold threads are glowing. And with this light, the forest will bloom forever!
That was magnificent, Maya. A flawless performance.
Thank you, Miss Clara. The dress actually felt weightless. What is it, Chloe? Are you going to laugh at my dress again? Your dress was the most beautiful thing on that stage tonight. My dress was expensive, but it was heavy, stiff, and uncomfortable. I was just jealous because you made yours especially for you. Thank you, Chloe. That means a lot to me. I'm sorry I was so mean. You really were the perfect Starlight Fairy. Maya! You were absolutely incredible! Mom! Did you see how the shawl glowed under the lights?
I saw it, sweetheart. Grandma would be so incredibly proud of you.
I was embarrassed at first. I'm so sorry, Mom.
Oh, honey, there is nothing to be for.
This is the best dress in the whole world. Because it's full of love.
Come here and give me a hug, my little star.
Sometimes we worry too much about having the most expensive or popular things. We let the opinions of others make us feel small or embarrassed. But true value is not found on a price tag. True value is found in love, creativity, and the confidence to be yourself. When you wear something made with love, you will always shine brighter than the rest. Never let anyone dim your light just because you're different. Stand tall, be proud of who you are, and remember what truly matters. What did you think of Maya's story? Have you ever felt embarrassed by something, only to realize it was actually very special? Tell us in the comments below! Thank you for watching English Story Vault. Please subscribe for more beautiful stories.
Have you ever felt embarrassed just because you were different? Today's story about Maya teaches one of the most powerful lessons in English learning and in life. Maya didn't have an expensive costume. She didn't have shiny, store-bought wings. What she had was something much deeper. Love, effort, and something many English learners struggle with: confidence. In spoken English practice, just like on that stage, many students feel like Maya. They think, My English is not perfect. They will laugh at me. I don't sound like others. But here's the truth. Fluency is not about perfection. Confidence is your real voice. When Maya stepped onto the stage, everything changed. Not because her dress was expensive, but because she believed in herself. That confidence turned her simple costume into something magical. The same thing happens when you speak English. You don't need fancy vocabulary. You don't need perfect grammar. You need courage to speak. Every time you open your mouth and try, you are already winning. Remember this. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with authenticity.